We live in a really rare and unique age where both beautiful and painful things are happening at the same time. While our entire solar system shows climate change, warning us, our world fights. Culture wars, the wage gap, cries for social justice and equality, torture, global sickness, hunger, and pain. How can we not feel despair, grief, powerlessness, and even depression sometimes? We look to history, to our experts and our leaders, only to find that the mainstream tales we were taught are illusions and false flags in a control-hungry matrix. Thankfully, when we no longer trust our leaders, we spread our own wings and fly. We are waking up. Some of us are beginning to realize that we are more than mere material mortals. More and more easily, we are re-experiencing our inner infinite, transmuting fear into freedom, putting love into win-win action, and reclaiming the simple, exquisite joy of being alive, now, satisfied, creating as we wish. I'm Maya, the founder of LIFTnibbles, a life coach and a satisfaction catalyst for more than 20 years. Whether you are riding waves of highs or being pulled by the currents of the lows, I invite you to join me in exploring 10-minute practices that create opportunities for almost anyone at any level to come together and connect with the power of this awakening age through deep, transformative experiences. We all have what it takes to solve, dissolve, and expand, to live the ease and satisfaction that we most deeply are, together with other explorers like us. So subscribe, follow LIFTnibbles on social, and experience it all for yourself. Take the practices that work for you. Forget whatever doesn't. Experience a lifestyle that helps me and others to enjoy more freedom, more power, and more satisfaction, regardless of circumstances.